Hey lovelies, welcome back to SoulSync, your favorite place for all the soft, spicy, and smart sides of love. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you've ever done something a little weird, but still had him wrapped around your finger. Today, we're diving into something playful but true. Weird things girls do that guys actually find super attractive. These aren't your typical smile more tips. These are the quirks, the chaos, and the little habits that accidentally make a guy go, wait, why is that so cute? Ready? Let's get into it. 1. Talking to animals or inanimate objects like they're alive. There's something incredibly charming about watching a girl talk to a dog like it's a human baby, or scold her laptop for freezing, or even say sorry to a door she accidentally bumped into. It's weird, right? But that weirdness, that's the softness and emotional range that makes guys melt. To them, it's not about the object. It's about seeing your inner world spill out, uncensored and sweet. It's a sign of someone who's caring, empathetic, and unfiltered in the best way. When you do this around a guy, he's not laughing at you. He's low-key admiring the fact that you live in your own playful universe. It's rare. Most people are so guarded, but when you act like that around him, it shows comfort, warmth, and a kind of natural vulnerability that invites him closer. That's not just cute, that's addictive. Making sound effects when doing things. Whether you're saying boop when tapping his nose, or making little explosion noises when you toss your phone on the bed, these random sound effects girls make are oddly irresistible. It feels so real, so animated. And for a guy, especially one who's usually around emotionally flat people, this is a burst of unexpected joy. It's like watching a real-life cartoon character who makes everything more colorful just by being herself. It also tells him you don't take life too seriously and that you bring lightness into heavy moments. If you've ever made a silly pew-pew noise when pretending to shoot finger guns or mimicked a robot voice when sending a voice note, trust me, he noticed. And secretly, he couldn't stop smiling after you left. 3. Random deep overthinking out loud. Girls who suddenly go, wait, do you think clouds feel lonely? Or what if dogs think humans are their pets? It's strange, but in the most fascinating way. A guy might laugh, but deep down, he's admiring the way your mind works. These odd, dreamy thoughts show him that you're not just cute, you're curious. And curiosity is one of the sexiest traits a person can have. When you open up like that, it feels like you're letting him peek into a secret corner of your brain. That intimacy, even in silliness, makes him feel connected to you in a way that serious conversations sometimes can't. It's not about the answer, it's about the connection created through your thoughts. 4. Getting excited over tiny things. Jumping up and down when your food arrives, clapping when you see a cute dog, or gasping at fairy lights, all of it. To the world, it might look a little childish or dramatic, but to a guy who genuinely likes you, it's everything. Your happiness becomes his favorite show to watch. It brings out a protector instinct in him, while also making him feel like he's witnessing real, raw emotion, no filters. This type of excitement feels rare in a world where everyone wants to be cool and emotionally distant. When you're openly happy about something simple, it shows you're grounded, easy to please, and joyfully alive. And a guy who's into you? He doesn't just think it's attractive. He wants to be the reason you react like that more often. 5. Playing with your hair when you're nervous or bored. You might not even realize you're doing it, but when a girl starts twisting, fluffing, or tucking her hair behind her ear, especially when she's shy or zoning out, it triggers something deep in guys. It's not just physical attraction, it's the subconscious vulnerability, the peek into her nervous system. Hair touching is seen as an emotional cue, and when done unconsciously, it makes a guy feel like he's witnessing a softer, less guarded version of you. Plus, there's something sensual about how fingers move through hair. It draws attention in a subtle way, not trying to seduce, but somehow ending up seductive anyway. And because it's unconscious, it feels authentic. Real emotion always beats rehearsed behavior, and guys, they're more tuned into those small signs than you think. 6. Randomly dancing when you're alone or just vibing like Yaxicity. Girls who start swaying while cooking, doing a silly twerk while brushing their teeth, or breaking into a full-on dance when their favorite song plays. That carefree energy, it lights him up. You're in your own world, having fun, being weird, and absolutely not thinking about how you look. And ironically, that's exactly what makes you look the best. Guys don't just love girls who dance, they love girls who can't help but dance. It sends the message that you live in the moment, you enjoy life, and you don't need validation to feel good. It's bold, feminine, and a little wild, the perfect combo that gets etched into his memory. 7. Making ugly faces or impressions with no shame. When you scrunch your face, cross your eyes, or do a dramatic impression of your teacher, those are golden moments. Most girls try to stay pretty all the time, but when you're willing to drop the filter and just be goofy, it creates a contrast that's powerful. You're showing him that your beauty isn't your personality, that you can laugh at yourself. And that's magnetic. It's also disarming. A guy around you doesn't feel pressured to act cool or perform. He relaxes. He feels like he can be silly too, and that safety builds serious attraction. Funny how making an ugly face can make someone fall harder, but that's the weird truth. 8. Having weird rituals like lucky socks or needing to sleep on a specific side. Weird habits? Like needing a certain side of the bed or always drinking from a favorite mug? He notices. And surprisingly, he starts loving them. These quirks show consistency, nostalgia, and that soft domestic energy that hints at deeper emotional roots. You're not just a girl, you're a whole vibe. And your little rituals make him feel like he's slowly being allowed into your world. It also helps him imagine life with you. Not just in the romantic sense, but in the cozy, real life, I could wake up next to her and make sure her mug's clean kind of way. That's more than attraction. That's foundation building in disguise. So beauties, never dull your weirdness, because that's what makes you irresistible. These little things, the ones you don't even plan, are exactly what set you apart. And the right guy, he won't just find them attractive, he'll fall for them. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to SoulSync, and drop a comment telling me your weirdest habit that a guy secretly loved. Because trust me, there's power in your quirks.